In this day challenge, you will add your drawings and add text. You will see how you can put an appealing message onto your greeting card with that transparency effect. And if you like, you can even add another text than the one that I have applied, so your way to customize your card even more for your own use. You will also draw your first curtain, so this will really be exciting. You have inserted the background image with the gift boxes, which will make up the first layer of your greeting card. Now we're going to insert the greeting card text message, and this will make up the second layer of your greeting card. And we will do that by selecting in the toolbar the text box. So when you select the text box, you can drag an area on your greeting card and begin typing your greeting card text message. Have a great time this festive season. You can select your text with your cursor. You can change the font family, in example Comic Sans. You can change the size of your font, in example 48 points. You can also select another color for your font, in example white, and decide about a different alignment. In example, you could select center. So now you have your greeting card message text. It's great, but for me it's not fancy enough for a greeting card. This text will behave as a text, and I cannot apply drawing formatting on the characters. If I want to do so, I will need to use another tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start over again. So I will select this and I will go to the edit menu to delete it and start fresh again. But this time you need to select another tool, which is Insert Word Art. When you select Insert Word Art, you will be prompted to fill in your greeting card text message. Have a great time this festive season. I would like to have multiple lines, so I will go before the F, and I can in fact press the Shift combined with Enter. So if I type Shift Enter, I will have the two words of my greeting card text message on a new line. When I press Enter, I will see my greeting card text message in the center of the greeting card. You will see that there are some basic functionality available to apply formatting on the greeting card text. In example, you can change the font family. In example, Comic Sans. And you can also change it bold and or italic. I'm going to select bold. Now this is great, but now I would like to have that effect that you only can have when you are working with drawing objects. For example, I would like to apply some transparency on that white text. How am I going to do that? First, I'm going to make sure by selecting the fill color that the color is indeed white. Okay. And then when I selected the fill color, I will apply custom formatting on that object. And I have on the right of this color pop-up a slider, which is a transparency slider, and I will drag it down, let's say 1/3 of the slider length, and confirm with OK. So now you will see that your characters have become transparent. For a better effect, it's also a good idea that you would select the line color and change it into white. Much better. You can also enlarge the characters of your greeting card text message by selecting the corner point of your greeting card text message and enlarging it. Please note that you need to insert with the Shift key combined if you want to enlarge the greeting card text proportionally. Once you have done that, you can drag the object and put it more on top of the card. You will also see a red line when the greeting card object is aligned in the center of your card. Your time to release the object. So now we have made our greeting card text message by using the word art tool and applying the transparency onto the text for a better effect. We're also going to draw now the first slice of our curtain. We're going to select the draw tool and select the square shape. And we're going to draw the shape as from the corner of the card and draw the image to fit vertically the card. Now it's covering for 100% with a white color, but again, in the drawing tools you have the functionality not only to select a color, but also to make use of that transparency slider when you select custom and to drag that down, let's say to 25 or 50% of the slider length. So now you have your first slice of your curtain that will make up the third layer of your greeting card.